Mailchimp and GDPR, what you need to know. When it comes to using Mailchimp, especially in Europe, it's important to understand how GDPR impacts your email marketing efforts. If you're worried about staying compliant with GDPR while using Mailchimp, keep watching, because in this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know to keep your email campaigns on track without running into legal trouble. First off, let's talk about what GDPR actually is. The General Data Protection Regulation is a European Union law aimed at protecting the privacy of individuals and ensuring that businesses handle personal data responsibly. If you're collecting email addresses or any personal information from customers or subscribers, you need to follow GDPR's strict guidelines to avoid fines. Now, how does this relate to Mailchimp? Mailchimp is a great tool for email marketing, but it also requires you to be GDPR compliant, especially if you're handling personal data from EU citizens. Mailchimp does provide GDPR compliant features, but you, as a user, need to understand the responsibility you have when it comes to data privacy. Next thing, let's dive into Mailchimp's GDPR tools. The platform has features to help you stay compliant, like double opt-in forms, which ensure that subscribers are giving clear consent to receive your emails. This is key because under GDPR, consent must be freely given, specific, informed, and unambiguous. Double opt-in ensures that you have proof of consent in case you're ever audited. The fourth thing you need to know is Mailchimp's data storage practices. All data collected through Mailchimp is stored in servers located in the US, but they've taken measures to comply with GDPR. Mailchimp uses EU-US Privacy Shield framework to ensure that data is transferred and processed legally. Still, it's your responsibility to ensure you're not sending data that violates any privacy regulations. Next, let's talk about the right to access and delete data. Under GDPR, subscribers have the right to access their data, request corrections, and even ask for it to be deleted. Luckily, Mailchimp makes this easy by providing tools where you can quickly remove a subscriber's data from your database. But you'll need to make sure that you're honoring these requests in a timely manner. The sixth point, Mailchimp's GDPR compliance isn't automatic. While Mailchimp provides the tools, it's up to you to ensure your practices align with GDPR. This means reviewing your subscription forms, email content, and how you handle user data regularly to make sure you're not violating any rules. And finally, here's something a lot of people overlook. GDPR fines can be steep. If you don't take the necessary steps to comply, you could face fines of up to 4% of your annual revenue or 20 million euros, whichever is higher. This could be disastrous for your business, so it's essential to make sure you're using Mailchimp and other tools in a way that follows GDPR guidelines. If you're just starting with Mailchimp or looking to streamline your compliance, remember that Mailchimp offers a completely free plan to get started, and you can access this with our exclusive bonus link below. This means you can explore Mailchimp's GDPR compliant tools without any upfront costs. And as a bonus, you get an extended free trial to try out all the premium features. So, keep your email campaigns compliant and avoid the risk of costly fines. Be sure to check out the first link in the description for your extended free trial and exclusive access to Mailchimp today.